Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to expose your local server or local host so that you could access your local host by using a live URL. There are several techniques and methods that you could use to expose your local host, but there's one another very famous method that I mostly use is Ngrok. So this is a third-party service. They provide us a free software that you can download in your computer. After you download, you can expose your local server very easily, just like that in this GIF animation. So let's do that and let's expose your local server. So I'm going to download the Ngrok. I need to download it for Mac OS because I'm using Mac. Okay, it is going to take some time. Meanwhile, let me show you that uh, at this time we already have a server running at localhost. Let us open it, and here you can see that this server is live here. So, okay, the ngrok tool has been downloaded successfully. Let's open it and let's see what is inside of it. Okay, so this is the tool, and we need to we you can keep it anywhere, but I mostly keep it at the home directory of the uh, of your operating system of your Linux or Mac OS. So let's move it to the home directory. For that, let's go to the downloads and let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is the file. I'm going to move it to the home directory. It does not matter, you can just start running from right from here, but I'm just moving it to the home directory. Okay, in the home directory now you can see ngrok is there. Now I'm going to use it to expose this port and this local server to a live URL. So when after exposing it, this tool ngrok will create a random unique URL for you that you can instantly use it anywhere in the world. Anybody can access your website or application or your software by using that live URL, and it provides you normal HTTP and HTTPS protocols as well. So let's start and uh, expose it. So type the path of the file where it is located, and after that type the HTTP, and here you have to provide the port that you are going to expose. So I want to expose 3001 port, so I will type 3001 and press enter. Okay, what is, because I cannot verify, cannot free from malware. Okay, so it is. We have to add some kind of permission so that we could run it. I don't want to move it to the bin. Uh, Let me see in the preferences. Maybe we find something. Okay, here is the permission. It is asking for some permission, so I'm going to allow it from here. Now I can try again to start the ngrok. Mm, okay, open it. All right. Now you can see that session status is online. and its maximum time is 7 hours. After 7 hours, it would automatically be expired. If you don't want it to be expired, then you can use their paid version, but in free version it expires. So, but anyways, it will help you a lot while development, especially. So you can see that this URL now can be accessed with on this URL. So it's up to you. You can either use this URL or you can use this URL. So let's copy this URL and open it in the browser. Okay. All right. You can see that now same website that was being reflected on the local server, now it is also accessible on the live URL, and this is a randomly generated URL by the Ngrok. So you can give this URL to anybody and they can see your website. So you can, there are a lot of use cases. Maybe you want, for some reason, you need a live URL in your software development, or maybe you want to show a quick demo to your client or to someone of your web application. So, and you don't want to upload it to some real live server, you can just expose your local server like this, and you can give that URL to someone and they can see your application from your own computer. So this is very useful. I hope this will help you to achieve something. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.